Today I'm going to make a fried rice and it's gonna to be one of the best fried rice that I've ever tried before. So I'm going to use the Yangzhou Fried Rice method but combined with the Cantonese ingredients, and the combination is incredible. I understand that most of us do not have a high power stove at home that you can get it from a Chinese restaurant that will create lots of wok aroma. I have one, but after much consideration for this video, I want to use the normal stove, the small stove that you and me will have it, and I'm trying to make a few changes so that we all can produce the same good quality of fried rice at home. So let's get into the details. This fried rice will use two of the most common ingredients that we use for Chinese fried rice, that is barbecue pork and also shrimp. And besides that, some carrots, some green peas, some scallion, and of course, we need some eggs. For the barbecue pork, you can purchase from the market or you can make it yourself. This morning, I just made it by using my air fryer. If you want to make it yourself, I have made a video before, which I will add the link to the description box below the video. For the barbecue pork, I will cut it into small cubes. I'm going to make for 2 servings, so that will be sufficient. Cut the barbecue pork or char siu into small cubes. And the shrimp that has been deveined and cleaned into the same size as the barbecue pork. Next, crack 2 eggs, separate the yolk and the white. Next, we need some cooked rice, and I've put it in the refrigerator overnight. The overnight rice is drier and it will not stick together during stir frying. Today, I'm cooking the Yangzhou fried rice style, in which the rice has to be separated individually. So I use my hand to loosen the rice so that they do not stick together. It's pretty easy to do it, especially for overnight rice in the refrigerator. It's quite dry. If you do not do that, what happens is that the rice will clump together. Okay, so you can see the rice are all loosened up already. One of the best ways to prevent the rice from sticking to the wok is to have a well-seasoned wok. But even though it's well-seasoned, I will still heat up the wok, add the oil inside, a lot of oil, and swirl it around. When the oil is heated and you can see the smoke, switch it off and then pour away the excess oil. And this is one of the best ways to prevent the rice or any stir frying from sticking onto the wok. Now let me beat the egg yolk, and with some oil inside the wok over medium heat, make a very soft scramble. A very soft one, and immediately remove it. And I'm going to add this egg yolk to the rice to make the rice become golden color afterwards. Next, the egg white. The reason I separate both the white and also the yolk is because I want to have 2 different colors. With some extra oil added, now we add the shrimp. This is pretty fast. The shrimp will turn opaque. Once that is done, add the char siu, the carrot, and also the peas. Stir fry it for about half to 1 minute and then remove it from the wok. Now it comes to the most crucial part, that is to fry the rice. Because I'm using a small stove, I will not fry all the rice at one go, but only fry half of it. Otherwise, the heat from the stove will not be able to support all the ingredients that we have. So I'm going to start with a lower heat first. The goal is to remove as much moisture as possible from the rice so that every single piece of the rice is now separated. They are not sticking together at all. And after that, I will turn down the heat and add the fluffy scramble into it. And mix everything together over low heat. By doing so, the rice will turn to golden color. And this is one of the signature of Yangzhou Fried Rice. Now I add the remaining ingredients to the rice, and again only half of it. And start to turn up the heat and stir fry everything together. It's very colorful because we are using different ingredients with different colors. Meanwhile, add salt to season it and just a little bit of soy sauce, not too much because we don't want it to be too dark. And now we turn up to high heat as much as I can for this small stove to stir fry it for another minute or two. And at the same time, I need to add back the egg white. And also some scallion. Give it a final stir, and that's it. And that is my fried rice with Yangzhou's fried rice style, but using some Cantonese ingredients. For this recipe, the use of seasoning is very minimum, just soy sauce and salt. The goal is to highlight the flavor of the ingredients. And the choice of ingredient is very colorful. Each grain of rice is separated and is covered individually by the egg yolk. Oh, it's excellent. The flavor of the rice is so good because the eggs cover every single grain of the rice. And the ingredients is so flavorful. And if you want to try this recipe, I've included in the description below the video, and also I will put it at the end of this video for your reference. Thanks for watching, and I hope you love it. Give me your feedback in the comment section, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.